discover how to navigate African financial markets, and evaluate stocks using the 5-question formula. We begin by opening Africa Intelligence from the navigation menu to access our specialized regional market insights. The dashboard is loading, preparing to display real-time market overview data and performance indicators. To browse listed securities across regional exchanges, we head into the Market Explorer. Selecting the BRVM exchange tile focuses our view on West African regional market listings. The securities table is populating below, organizing the active listings by ticker and company name. Choosing the Unilever Côte d'Ivoire SA row brings up its dedicated stock details panel on the right. The system is fetching live market data and company fundamentals for Unilever Côte d'Ivoire SA. To evaluate this stock's investment potential, we initiate the 5-question formula analysis. Warifin is now analyzing the company's financial health against our 5 core investment criteria. With the first evaluation complete, we close this panel to return to our main list of securities. Moving down the list helps us identify another prominent regional business to evaluate. We select the NTLC-CI Nestlé Côte d'Ivoire row to open its financial profile. The panel is updating with the latest pricing and corporate data for Nestlé Côte d'Ivoire. We start the 5-question formula analysis for this stock to see how its metrics compare. The system calculates the final score based on profitability, growth, and stability metrics. Scrolling down lets us inspect the individual scores for each of the 5 critical questions. Further down, we can read the automated decision explanation to understand the qualitative reasoning behind the score. We close the Details panel once more to head back to our primary search area. Moving back to the top of the screen brings our main navigation options back into view. We scroll the navigation tabs to the right to locate our dedicated analysis dashboards. Continuing through the tabs brings us closer to the direct 5-question formula interface. We open the 5-question formula tab to access our direct search and analysis workspace. Activating the search input field allows us to look up any supported company or ticker directly. We type the ticker NTLC-CI to target Nestlé Côte d'Ivoire for a direct query. The platform processes the input to find matching listed entities in our database. The matching results are appearing below the input field for quick selection. Selecting the NTLC-CI Nestlé Côte d'Ivoire result confirms our target for this analysis. We click Analyze this stock to generate a comprehensive 5-question formula report. The complete analysis is now visible, providing a clear breakdown of the stock's overall rating. Finally, we open the W5Q dashboard to compare all of our analyzed African stocks in a single consolidated view. You have successfully navigated the Africa Intelligence dashboard, evaluated key equities using the 5-question formula, and compared results on the W5Q dashboard.